Hello YouTube and welcome to Model Restorations. So check this out. I got this small collection of Corvettes. This guy that I got them from was a Corvette collector, and he decided to get rid of a bunch of his stuff that was in his collection. So I picked up a bunch of this stuff on trade, which I was pretty happy with. I traded some old red lines I had. So anyway, let's take a look at it. So here's, of course, the first one is a 53 Corvette. And I'll be doing some of these on my channel. So it looks like it's all pretty much there. Looks like this one was started, but never finished. Like a lot of them. So it looks like most of the pieces are in there. So I think this one's will be pretty easy. I'll just have to paint it and build it. And so like the windshield's still there. Some of the more important pieces. Here's one of my, I love the box art on this. So let's take a look at what's in it. I'm really digging this green color. And this is I think a 67. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. I'm not real familiar with Corvettes, but I'm thinking that's what it is based on the instructions. Oh, so I don't want to lose this. 67 Sport Coupe. And then the other one is a 57 Corvette, is also in there. Comes with a display stand, detailed chassis, convertible top, scooped hood or stock hood, custom roll bar. That's pretty cool. But I gotta tell you, I'm really digging this 67. This thing is neat. I love this paint. I'm not even sure what this is, but I'm not gonna repaint this at all. I'm gonna actually assemble this just like it is. So the 57, I'll be able to take this and kind of combine it with probably some of the 53. What I love about this though is check out the suspension. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll try to get it closer. But it's got little springs in it with real suspension. That's awesome. I love it. So kind of a detailed chassis. This is broken, and I'm hoping I can use actually I think even though this says 57, I think this is the same thing. It is actually another 53, it looks like. Maybe not. It is somewhat different. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it is 57. So very similar. So anyway, so there's that one. Here's some of the pieces that are in the box. It's like the rear drag tires, some of the hoods. Oh, this is kind of a neat exhaust. I'm liking that. And some of that side exhaust. Looks like I will have to come up with something for the windshield. Most likely I'll just put the normal windshield on there and then just put chrome around it. So that'll be pretty easy. I'm really digging this though. Definitely have to paint the body on this one. Or honestly I might try to clean this up and kind of leave it as is. I kind of like the look. So that is that one. Again, here's the cool box art on it. '67 Stingray. I love some of the old box art they had on this. And here is the box for the 60 Corvette. Again, MPC, just some awesome box art. Digging all this extra stuff that comes with. Convertible, again, the metal springs. Let's take a look inside. And this one is complete. So this is pretty cool. 60 Corvette. Here is the chrome tree on it. Check out that grill. That is just killer. pretty cool rims. Let's see if there's any decals in this one. Oh, there's the tires. Looks like it's got actual squishy tires, which is pretty cool for an old kit. There are some, here are the decals that are originally in it. Got a lot of cracking, so I doubt I'll be able to use many of them. I like this Psychic 2 though. It's pretty cool. Cool instructions. They just, you know, these old instructions had a lot more detail than a lot of the newer ones do. Windshield. Yeah, so this is complete, along with, looks like it has a driver in it, which is pretty cool. A lot of extra parts. So I will definitely be building this one also. That's pretty neat. Let's take a look at the newer Corvette. Here's the box art on it. Again, this is an older kit. I'm not exactly sure when this came out. I'll have to do some online research. Looks like I can go with the total bubble top, which is pretty cool. Side exhaust, racing seats, heavily detailed rear and front suspension. It just says it can be positioned straight ahead or turned. I believe this is a full kit too. Yes. Here's the inside of it. Look at that little A-arms, how separate they are, and just the little detail. I'm really liking some of these detailed kits. They're pretty cool. Chrome tree, has some cool rims. I like it. Side exhaust. Corvette Coupe. Read this before you begin. Again, pretty cool little sheet. Oh, this is neat. Look at this. The thing of the road. Ah, this is cool. Custom iron-ons. Order today. This is cool. $1 each or 5 for $4. Check that out. Look at the van. Van fan. Love it. I'm a road nut. The thing of the road. Rods Forever or Indie Freak. That's pretty cool. That's neat. Here's a decal sheet for it. These actually look like they're in amazing condition. I don't see any cracks or anything on them. I might actually be able to use these. That is that one. Very neat. And then we got the Corvette, the new Open Sportster. I love the decals on this. Same thing, it's got a lot of options. Roll bar, turnable wheels. You can build it stock if you want. That's super cool. Another kit that has never been built. Very similar to the last one. A lot of detail in there. Love it. And here's the chrome tree. Very similar to the last one. A little different though. A little rims are a little different. Here's the, luckily, see, a lot of these I haven't looked at real close yet, but that looks to be an actually, I think I can use these, even though it has a crack here. When I take these off, I'll just put it in two different, two different sections, but I should be able to reuse these. These actually look like they're in pretty damn good condition. Here's some instructions. Pretty cool. And that's it for that one. Super cool kit. And then one of my favorites is this 69 Corvette Open Sportster 120 scale, super size. Let's take a look at this. That's pretty cool. All kinds of options. Chopped windscreen. You can go stock if you want, or the chrome rocker panels, mild or build it wild. That's just cool. So this one will be a rebuilder. So it looks like it was started, but clearly not finished. That is cool. Those big tires. Man, that is awesome. There's the interior. See if there's anything. No motor. Looks like it does have steerable wheels. It's pretty cool. And the suspension again. You got those little springs. That's just so cool. The back does not do that, but they do spin. And look, they're even independent, just like the real car. That's pretty slick. So this one will definitely be getting rebuilt. Love it. Looks like there's quite a few parts in here. Here's the instruction sheet. It's pretty cool. Love it. And I love how, like a lot of these older ones, they'll actually have pictures of the item that they're trying to describe, so you can see them all together, which is pretty cool. Here's a look inside the box. Here's the motor. That thing's huge. Oh, it has slicks also. This is pretty cool. It looks like here's the top to the motor. Looks like it has some seat belts, which is pretty cool. So it really looks like a pretty detailed kit. You can either do the blower or the stacks, fuel injection. A lot of fun to restore. Here's a tonneau cover that can go over the passenger side, or the if you ever watch Vice Grip Garage, he calls it the drinker side, and the driver's side he calls the captain's side, which is pretty cool. Not sure if these are to the kit or to a different one, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So look for this one in an upcoming episode. This will definitely be getting rebuilt. I'm pretty excited to do this one. I love the detail on it. This one I actually will repaint because I want it to be more of a painted red, or I might even go like a white on this one, so not sure yet. But and that's that. Well, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And again, look for some of these videos. I'll have them up in not too long. Right now, I'm just going to be concentrating on a lot of the rebuilds.